you want to remove a footage or create a shorter clip for sharing? Well, you can do that easily in VLC Media Player. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to easily cut a video in VLC. To cut a video in VLC Media Player, first you will have to activate the advanced controls. To do that, head to the view option at the top and then select advanced controls. After that, you will see 4 other buttons at the bottom left of your screen. Now, to cut a video, we'll first press the record button and we'll press the record button again to stop the video, and that the cut video will appear. So, for example, I will start the cutting process from 30 seconds. At 30 seconds, I have pressed the recording button and I'll stop it at 50 seconds. So I have stopped the recording and now let's access it. To access it, we'll open the files and then I'll head to videos. And here we will access that recording. Now as you can see that this file VLC record and the date and the time is here. Just open it and as you can see the video is now running. And that's how you cut a video on VLC. Now, if you want to deactivate the advanced controls, just head to view once again and then select advanced control to deactivate it. Now, head to tools, then select preferences and head to input and codec options. After that, under the files heading, you will see a browse option. This will allow you to select a default folder for these recordings. Now just select the folder where you want these recordings to save and then confirm the process by selecting the select folder option. Once you are done, all the recordings that you will do will be saved at that location. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.